Hello, my name is Iryna. I'm a hairstylist from Ukraine. In this video, I'll show you how to make stylish braids. At the very beginning, I apply dry shampoo. To make my braids longer, I'll use the ClipHair extensions of medium brown shade number 4. I chose the extensions darker than my natural hair, since it's fashionable now. So I separate the bottom row of hair by horizontal parting and attach ClipHair extensions. Then I separate one more row and attach the second strand of extensions. In the same way, I attached the ClipHair extensions which remained. When all the hair clips are fixed, we are ready to begin with braids. So separate two hair strands from the face and rotate between each other. The bottom goes to the top and the top to the bottom. Next, we add two small strands of hair to the two main strands and turn again. Continue doing this up to the end of the braid. We make the second braid in the same way. So we take 2 strands and twist between each other. When the braids are ready, we stretch the locks and make braids voluminous. Fix everything well with hairspray. And that's all. Hairstyle is ready. How do you like my braids? I love it. See you soon at my channel. Bye bye.